This is the other bottle I don't hold responsibility for. The other bottle failure by Larkin. They take forever to get lit. I mean forever to get lit. You have almost no fuse whatsoever. 3 lights in the first round to be surprised. They didn't hear that. Seriously. Yeah, I felt it. I knew it. Not lit. Here we observe the wild Larkin trying to arm his makeshift bomb. Ah, come on. Oh, never mind, you're gonna let it. I thought you were gonna turn it off. Trying to arm his makeshift bomb. Personally, I think it's a crude design. It attracts his natural prey, the little sister, namely the laurel. Though it has the side effect of occasionally attracting a Diana. Like I said, it preys upon. Hey, you got lit. Sweet. Run, dude!
You burned the cap off. No, come on. It exploded. 3, 2, 1, flame. Wait. Still more.
Look at the smoke right.
He always has one right there. You can't see it on the camera.
Oh no.
1 minute. Whoa, it totally shrunk it again.